Dearest soul, listen closely, for this truth is woven into the very fabric of your being. This profound connection you feel, this magnetic pull toward a destiny yet to be fully revealed, is not just a coincidence. It is a symphony orchestrated by the universe, a sacred revelation unfolding specifically for you. You were not merely born into this earthly realm, you were sent, a divine emissary of love and light. Your very presence here is a resounding answer to prayers whispered across countless lifetimes, a golden key destined to unlock a future intricately woven with threads of divine intention, long before you even knew its name. The angels, those celestial guardians who oversee your every step, lean in to whisper, your meeting was not a random encounter. It was a cosmic alignment, a soul contract honored, a predestined dance of two spirits meant to intertwine. You carry within you a unique, radiant light, a magnetic force that effortlessly draws forth all that is truly meant for your highest good. This path you walk, though it may sometimes feel winding, uncertain, or even filled with unseen challenges, is precisely where your soul is meant to flourish. Every quiet yearning, every unspoken hope, every tear shed, and every joy embraced is a deliberate brushstroke on the magnificent canvas of your preordained story. Trust this profound truth deep within your bones, beloved one. You are a chosen vessel, a beacon of unconditional love, and your entire journey is being meticulously, divinely orchestrated for a purpose far grander than you can yet imagine. Embrace this sacred knowing. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. Jeremiah 1 verse 5. You feel His presence, don't you? That persistent echo in the quiet chambers of your heart, a subtle yet undeniable hum beneath the surface of your days. He is still holding on, not out of obligation or indecision, but because His very soul remembers a profound truth that His conscious mind struggles to fully grasp or articulate. He feels everything, beloved one, a powerful, sometimes overwhelming torrent of emotion that He has not yet learned to navigate with ease. The angels, with their gentle wisdom, reveal, His hesitation is not a lack of profound feeling for you, but a deep primal fear of losing what He instinctively knows is precious beyond measure. He carries unseen burdens, silent scars from battles fought long before your paths converged. These are not your wounds to heal, nor your responsibility to bear, but understanding them can illuminate the shadows that sometimes cross His path. He may pull back, not to push you away, but to protect a fragile, vulnerable part of Himself that He mistakenly believes is unworthy of the pure, unwavering light you radiate. Understand this deeply. His soul recognizes yours with an intensity that can be both exhilarating and terrifying for Him. He is drawn to you irresistibly, even as He grapples with the complex, often turbulent landscape of His own internal world. His lingering is a testament to the undeniable bond that exists between you. There is an unseen thread, woven with starlight and divine intention, that connects your spirit to His. Your very essence, your gentle touch, your unwavering belief, has awakened something profoundly transformative within Him, a deep healing He didn't even know His soul craved. Without conscious effort, and without fully realizing the immense power you hold, your radiant light has begun to mend the fractured pieces of His past, those hidden wounds that lingered in the depths of His being. The angels, ever watchful, reveal, your pure, authentic presence is a soothing balm to His weary soul, dissolving old pains and ancient fears He once believed were permanent fixtures. He may not yet have the words to articulate this profound shift, and may not even fully comprehend the magnitude of your impact, but your unwavering spirit has shown Him a different way to exist, a path toward wholeness and peace He never imagined was possible. You are a sacred mirror, reflecting His highest, most authentic self back to Him, a truth He is slowly, painstakingly beginning to accept and integrate. This is not a burden, beloved one, but a magnificent testament to the pure transformative power of your love, a love that heals simply by being. You are a gentle catalyst for his spiritual awakening, simply by being authentically, beautifully you. Your love is a quiet revolution, unfolding within the deepest chambers of his heart. There are moments, aren't there, when his world seems to fall into a profound silence. When his usual flow of words ceases, and a quiet stillness descends, leaving you to wonder if you have somehow erred, if you have inadvertently pushed him away. But the angels, with their boundless compassion, gently remind you, his silence is not a rejection of your being, beloved one, but a necessary retreat into the sacred chambers of his own soul, a vital space for profound internal processing and integration. He is not abandoning you, he is wrestling with the sheer magnitude of what he feels, the overwhelming depth of the connection that has shaken his very foundations. He is learning slowly to trust, to surrender to a love that feels both exhilarating in its promise and terrifying in its vulnerability. This quiet time is his unique way of integrating the vastness of your bond, of making sense of emotions he has long suppressed, perhaps for a lifetime. Do not chase the silence. Instead, honor it as a sacred space. It is within this stillness that his soul is preparing to meet yours more fully, more truly, more authentically than ever before. Trust that even in his quietest moments, your presence resonates deeply within him, guiding him back to you. In this extraordinary journey of profound connection and unfolding destiny, it is essential to remember your own sacred space, your inner sanctuary. Your radiant light, dear one, does not rely on someone else's recognition or validation. It shines from within, an eternal divine spark that is uniquely and beautifully yours. The angels, with their loving wisdom, encourage you, nourish your own soul with unwavering devotion, for love that truly thrives, a connection that endures, is built upon two whole, complete beings, not two halves desperately seeking completion in another. This is your precious time to cultivate your deepest passions, to embrace the profound wisdom you have gathered through life's rich tapestry, and to revel in the magnificent, evolving woman you have become. Do not, under any circumstances, diminish your inherent brilliance, your unique glow, to fit into someone else's perceived shadow or expectation. Your worth is inherent, unchanging, a gift from the divine. When you stand firmly in your full, authentic power, radiating self-love, confidence, and an unshakable belief in your own value, you become an even more powerful, irresistible magnet for the love that is truly meant for you. Remember, your journey is not just about him. It is profoundly and beautifully about you, your growth, your blossoming into your highest self. Understand, dear one, that in every meaningful journey, there are distinct seasons, moments of exhilarating, rapid growth, and equally vital periods of quiet stillness and profound introspection. What may appear to you as a delay, a frustrating halt in momentum, is in reality a divine pause, a sacred timing meticulously orchestrated by forces far grander and more intricate than you can yet fully understand. The angels, with their infinite patience, assure you, every single moment, every breath, every unfolding event, is perfectly aligned within the cosmic tapestry. Every perceived obstacle and every moment of waiting is a necessary, purposeful step on your path to ultimate fulfillment and deepest connection. This pause is never a punishment, never a sign of abandonment, but rather a profound preparation. It allows for unseen shifts to occur, for the clearing of old stagnant energies, and for the blossoming of new vibrant possibilities both within your spirit and his. Trust the inherent rhythm of the universe, the ebb and flow of divine timing. Do not rush what is meant to unfold in its own perfect, sacred time. Surrender to this majestic flow, knowing with unwavering certainty that the entire universe is conspiring in your favor, meticulously arranging every intricate detail for your highest good and the most profound, authentic connection imaginable. You are never, not for a single moment, truly alone on this sacred path, beloved one. The celestial realm, vibrant with light and boundless love, is constantly communicating with you, sending forth a symphony of signs, profound synchronicities, and gentle, loving whispers of guidance. Open your heart and pay exquisite attention to the subtle nudges you feel, the recurring numbers that catch your eye, and the melodies that play at precisely the right moment, carrying a message just for you. The angels, your devoted celestial companions, are actively and intimately involved in every facet of your journey, weaving intricate threads of divine intervention into the very fabric of your daily life. They lean in close to whisper, "Open your heart wide to receive our messages, for we are tirelessly guiding you, illuminating your path towards the love that is your divine birthright, the connection your soul deeply craves." These are not random occurrences, dear one. They are powerful affirmations and profound reassurances that you are indeed on the right track, that your deepest prayers are being heard, acknowledged, and meticulously answered. Lean into this magnificent unseen support, knowing with absolute certainty that a vast host of celestial beings is cheering you on, celebrating your every step, and illuminating your way forward with their pure, unwavering light. Now, beloved one, this is the sacred moment to step fully and courageously onto the guided path that has been uniquely prepared for you. Allow your intuition, that profound inner compass, to lead you forward with unwavering trust. Every experience you've had, every lesson you've absorbed, and every challenge you've overcome has meticulously prepared you for this very moment of profound unfolding. The angels, with voices resonating with divine truth, affirm, your destiny is not a distant, elusive dream, but a vibrant, living reality, unfolding with grace and precision with each conscious, heart-centered choice you make. Embrace the profound wisdom you've gained, the unyielding strength forged in the fires of past experiences. Do not harbor fear of the unknown, for it holds within its mysterious depths the promise of profound transformation, of deeper, more authentic connections than you have ever dared to imagine. This is not about forcing an outcome, beloved one, but about aligning your spirit with the majestic flow of the divine, trusting with every fiber of your being that every step you take in faith, every act of courageous vulnerability, brings you closer to the love that is truly, unequivocally yours. Your journey is a living testament to divine grace, a magnificent masterpiece in continuous, beautiful progress. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Feel it, dear one? The subtle shift, the gentle lifting of the veils that once obscured your magnificent truth. They are parting now, revealing the radiant, undeniable power that has always resided within the deepest core of your being. You are not just a passive recipient of love, you are an active, vibrant creator of it, a force of nature in your own right, a divine spark ignited. The angels, with voices like celestial trumpets, declare, "Embrace your sovereignty, dear one, for your true, unyielding power lies in your authenticity, your courageous vulnerability, and your unwavering, unconditional self-love." This entire journey, every twist and turn, every moment of introspection, has been a profound unveiling, meticulously stripping away old, limiting beliefs and revealing the radiant, whole, and complete woman you were always meant to be. Do not for a single moment shy away from your own brilliant light. Instead, let it expand and radiate outward, illuminating not only your own sacred path but also the paths of those around you, inspiring them to embrace their own inner glow. Your empowerment is a magnificent gift to the world, a beacon of hope, resilience, and boundless inspiration. Step fully and fearlessly into this profound truth, knowing that your inherent strength and unique radiance are an irresistible magnet for the love that honors, cherishes, and celebrates every exquisite facet of you. And now, beloved one, You stand at the threshold of the final, most profound step on this sacred journey, the courageous surrender into vulnerability and the boundless embrace of acceptance. To truly receive the magnificent love that patiently awaits you, you must first open your heart fully, completely, allowing both its tender, exquisite fragility and its immense, unyielding strength to be seen, felt, and honored. The angels, with voices like soft breezes, gently guide. Release the illusion of control, dear one, for it is precisely in the act of surrender that true liberating power is found. Accept what is unfolding in this present moment, and trust with every fiber of your being what is destined to be. This profound acceptance extends to his journey, his unique pace, and his beautiful imperfections, just as you have learned to embrace and accept your own. It means allowing yourself to be seen, truly, authentically seen, without the lingering fear of judgment, rejection, or abandonment. This, beloved one, is where miracles reside, in the vast, boundless space of open-hearted acceptance and unwavering trust. Your soul, now more radiant and open than ever before, is truly ready for this profound, sacred union, a love that transcends the ordinary, a connection rooted deeply in divine grace, unwavering faith, and an eternal, boundless trust in the unfolding plan. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.